Would you like to make a Spore Hunter game application? In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make a Spore Hunter game application. I'm going to share with you simple method to make this game application. You can use your mobile phone to make this game application. You do not need to worry about coding knowledge. You do not need any kind of skills and experience. I'm going to share with you a step-by-step easy method. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. You can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. Guys, this is a best platform to make your app for Android phones and tablets. It's free. You can make app and you can earn money by showing ads. Here you can see this platform have more than 1 million clients. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. Now you can type your username, you can select your country. You can type your email address password. You can accept its terms of service. And at last you can click on send button. You can also sign in with Google. I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to sign in. Now click on create app button. Type your app name. Now you can select your app icon. You can also upload your own app icon. Here you can see there are a lot of app icons. You can select any of this app icon. Now you can select your language. You can type your app description. Click on next button. Click on next button. Click on create an empty app button. Click on go to app manager button. Now click on design button. Click on menu type button. You can select here this option. Click on save button. Now click on sections. Click on create section. You can scroll down. Here you can see game option. You can click here. Now click on select button. Here you can see there are a lot of games. You can choose any of this game. I'm going to choose a Spore Hunter game. Click on select button. Now type your section title. You can scroll down. You can select here no option. If you want to show leaderboard, then you can select here yes option. If you do not want to show leaderboard, then you can select here no option. Now click on save button. Okay, at last you can click on download app button. Here you can see download button. You can click here to download this application in APK format, or you can scan this code to download this application. After downloading this application, you can run it in your Android device. Your game application will look like this. It's very simple to make game application with 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. You do not need to worry about coding knowledge. No need any kind of skills and experience. No need laptop or computer. You can make this game application with your mobile phone. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.